Hi viewers, welcome to Z Dental channel. My name is Zishan. Today in this video lecture we will learn about the all types of dental waxes, uses of dental waxes and sources of dental waxes. Let's start. Dental waxes. Dental waxes are vastly used in restorative dentistry for laboratory procedures. Dental waxes are used for the purpose of number 1. Making wax design and patterns for complete and partial dentures. Number 2. Making wax design for inlays, crowns and bridges. Number 3. Boxing in impression before our model is poured. Number 4. Registration of occlusal bite relationship. Dental waxes are thermoplastic materials with wide variations in their properties. In order to obtain these properties, the waxes are usually blended from natural and synthetic materials such as natural and synthetic waxes, gums, fats, fatty acids and oils, natural and synthetic resins. Waxes are hydrocarbons with complex structure. According to the dental laboratory point of view, their physical behavior is more important than their chemical composition. Shapes of dental waxes. Dental waxes are supplied in form of sheet and sticks of various shapes and thickness and different colors. Now we will discuss about the classification of dental waxes and their origin. Waxes can be classified according to their origin. First, we will discuss about the waxes that we can obtain from minerals. Paraffin wax. Wax that obtained from minerals called paraffin wax. Paraffin wax is obtained from distillation of crude petroleum. It has 26 to 30 carbon atoms in straight chain. Melting range and properties of paraffin wax. Melting range is 44 degrees Celsius to 62 degrees Celsius. During solidification, there is a volumetric contraction of 11 to 15 degrees Celsius, which is not uniform throughout the temperature range because wax is a mixture of hydrocarbons. Microcrystalline wax. Microcrystalline wax is obtained from petroleum. They are straight chain and branched paraffin. This is a higher molecular weight with 41 to 50 carbon atom. Properties. It has greater hardness. Melting range is 60 to 90 degrees Celsius. It is used to increase melting range of paraffin wax. Number 2. Beeswax. Waxes that we can obtain from insects called the beeswax. Beeswax. It is obtained from honeycomb. It is a complex mixture of saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons and high molecular weight organic acids. Properties of beeswax. Melting range is 63 to 70 degrees Celsius at room temperature. Beeswax is brittle. It becomes plastic at body temperature. It is used to modify properties of paraffin wax and is the main component of sticky wax. Number 3. Vegetable wax. Waxes that we can obtain from vegetables called vegetable wax. For example, number 1 carna uba wax and number 2 candelilla wax. Carna uba wax. It is composed of straight chain esters, alcohols, acids and hydrocarbons obtained from palm trees of South America. It is a hard and brittle wax. Properties of carna uba wax. Melting range is 50 to 90 degrees Celsius. It is blended with paraffin wax to increase the melting range and hardness of paraffin wax. For example, 10% carna uba wax changes the melting range of paraffin wax from 15 degrees Celsius to 44 degrees Celsius. Candelilla wax is obtained from palms. It consists of 43 to 60 paraffin hydrocarbons with 29 to 33 carbon atoms plus free alcohols, acids, esters and lactose. Melting range. Melting range is 68 to 75 degrees Celsius. Number 4. Japan wax and cocoa butter. They are chiefly fats. Japan wax contains glycerides of palmitic and stearic acid. Japan wax. They are chiefly fats. Japan wax contains glycerides of palmitic and stearic acid. It is tough, malleable and sticky material. Properties. It melts at about 51 degrees Celsius. It may be mixed with paraffin to improve takiness. Cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is fat composed of glycerides of stearic, palmitic and oleic acids. It is brittle substance at room temperature. Use. It is used as a protector of glass ionomer cement from moisture during setting and dehydration after setting. Number 5. Gums. They are produced by plants. Gums. Gums are produced by plants. They are viscous, amorphous, exudated then harden of exposure to air. Most gums are complicated in chemical structure, but most contains largely carbohydrates. When mixed with water, they either dissolve in water or produce a sticky viscous liquid. For example, gum arabica and gum tragacanth. Number 6. Resins. Natural resins resemble waxes in appearance and properties to some extent. Resins. Natural resins resemble waxes in appearance and properties to some extent. Trees and other plants of many different species produce exudates of natural resins as damer, rosin, sandric, shellic resin is obtained from insects. Properties. Natural resins are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents. They are complex amorphous mixture of organic substances, more characterized by their specific physical behavior than by any defined chemical composition. Damer and Kari resin produce hardness. Polyethylene and vinyl resins give toughness, film forming properties and increase melting range in paraffin. Resin can be dissolved in organic solvent and are used as cavity varnishes. Viewers, if you like this video, please don't forget to thumb up, subscribe and share. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.